ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladaan kemasan post MA bat ke berpau baha ke kod admission nak kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum. Komisi bentawan penyai bed penyai renti iki projek repair hapok ke Jela Meghalaya yang berpentrei da ke company National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited usembut menteri rangba ulalum yang jingalang ban kertiang dien halo kini ke projek. Habikir megala pathai ku bor ba preston song upe ekatran Public Work Department ulit ho baha kini ke jingalang kle thirsani baha hakabede ba Surok Daina Dubi Darugre William Nagar hakaba baro kejinan kam la depan pen biang lut baro. Shushu ba preston la pentip ba udisi ke East Khasi Hills District uju penlong jingalang man kapor ban Buddien hakabede ba Trai Jaka bat kumjuru ba kira ke hima Halor ke Jaka.
Relating to the projects being implemented by Nhidcl, be it Garo Hills, Khasi Jati Hills. So in the meeting, we discussed about this Dainadubi road, Dainadubi Darugre William Nagar Junction Road, which the formalities has been already completed. So we have some small issue, depending issue is relating to compensatory afforestation. And I'm happy to inform you that even this compensatory afforestation diversion of land is more or less in the final stage, where the forest department has already identified the area for compensatory afforestation, and once this is handed over to forest department, then the project will take off. And then point number 2, against few pending stretches on Turadalu Road, that again because of the landowners, they are yet to hand over the land, to hand over the possession of land in few stretches, both maybe 2.5 to 3 kilometers, and that also we have discussed, and I've given direction to the Deputy Commissioner Tura to fast track these pending issues with the concerned landowners as well as with this council, so that the hurdles in handing over those possession can happen immediately, because now the work is on only that stretch where we still could not start due to the land issue. So I'm very sure with this decision we taken today, we'll be able to make it happen. I have directed all the deputy commissioners to have a committee in their district level under the chairmanship of the deputy commissioners. Whenever the project of Nhidcl takes place, this committee has to be activated, and even the land issue needs to be attended to while solving of alignment is undertaken. So that also I have given the order that it should be quickly constituted, the committee in the district level. Again, more detail we discussed about the ongoing survey of the 4-lane from Maulungkhum, we call it Maulungkhum, to Panchkram, connecting Assam again in this valley. The Nhidcl has already reported to us. They have updated that the survey is going on, and then the committee from East Khasi Hills under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner also is very active and the review meeting in the level is being called regularly in case of any land issue with the landowners or with the right or with the HIMAs, whatever, then the district committee is supposed and also take appropriate steps to resolve all those issues. So same way in West Jaiti Hills and East Jaiti Hills, the deputy commissioners is now on the job, having a meeting, a regular meeting in the respective district to resolve those issues wherever, because as I said to you, when the survey is on, we are able to know which landowners who is against the parting the land, or who is the village who is against of parting the land. Then in case if that situation arises, then the deputy commissioner will call a meeting, will discuss what the concerned landowners along with the village authority and resolve those issues. I'm very sure this survey, as of now, it goes well, and I'm very sure very soon they'll be able to complete the survey works and also the assessment for the land compensation.